Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, I'm going to show you a super easy lecture. What it is? Want to learn a basic snake game coding in Python using ChatGPT? Yes, here I'm going to show you how super easy this lecture we are going to learning. So here, see, about to do learning of basics in Python is sufficient to start learning a game coding in Python with the help of ChatGPT. Is it true? Yes, it's really true. So building a snake game in Python code, how the ChatGPT AI tool is going to creating and making a source code for yourself. So let's see. I would like to explain you about ChatGPT first, then I'll ask a question to the ChatGPT to prepare a basic snake game for myself. Yes, how super easy this one we are going to learn now. ChatGPT is an open source AI tool which is a non-profit organization. This is a tool is built for to give an suggestions and information what accurately for yourself. It's a tool is getting better for every day. And it's need registration to access these services. So having a Google or Microsoft account to try yourself today. The step-by-step process I will explain you. Go to Google and hit ChatGPT. Here the first link you need to choose. If you are already registered, you will see like a try ChatGPT. You will get this window like what the dashboard which is ready to take a queries and giving a response. If you are not registered till now, do a registration with a free account. You need not to pay any single NP for the services. So avail today and make sure to start your coding skills in master level. If you are new to watching this video lecture, please do subscribe now for such a great lectures and Python projects and codings and real world examples in this criteria. So let's see. My query is, I told you, basic snake game in Python. So let me ask here to ChatGPT. I'm sending a message to ChatGPT AI tool. It is understanding. Wow, it is initiated like a basic implementation of snake game in Python, like how super easily with the help of Pygame it is initiated and start writing the code. A step-by-step process of if you know the basics, how to import library and how the initiating of using of Python variables, the declaration of see the colors and like a creating of a function. If you know simple things, you will be easily understand how the functionality we can avail and use this code. See, most of the like a display score, generating food, all the things, different independent functions are created greatly. And the main function is we can call the function and how to use this complete game it is a building for to prepare ourselves. Whereas if you are ready to have a code editor in your computer system, PyCharm code editor, which is a community center edition, is a freely you can download and install yourself to run this program with ease. See, generation of program of this basic snake game is completed. Copy code using this clipboard, come back over here and paste to your PyCharm IDE. So once you did it, yes, it is asking Pygame. It's a module which is not available in my computer system and PyCharm is suggesting install this Pygame package. So go and click PyCharm like a Pygame package. See, in the below installing PyCharm like a Pygame module to in our computer system to run this coding. So you need not to write a single line of code, and Python is also having vast library which is readily available. You can avail it and run many of coding wonders. Yeah, it's taking like the installing package. Even I'm not written a single line of code over here. So how super easy to build a great projects. And come back here while installing of this package. It's taking a few seconds, and come back to here. Here, to run this ChatGPT AI tool, you need to computer system to be internet connected system. And this not only specific to a coding. If you want to like ask day-to-day activities of create a resume and preparing of any of other conversations, if you need, you just try to ask now and see the outputs how you are getting. And come back here. Installation package failed. Yes, sometimes our system or package installation procedures may be differ. So you just try yourself this project successfully, you will run and ensure to make many projects using Python with the help of ChatGPT AI tool. If you feel this video lecture is comfortable and yes, it's really helpful for you, please do subscribe today, share your views and comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you.